How to turn off Roblox chat for young players. So in here, the very first thing that you would need to do is obviously open your child's account and then simply log into your child account, right? So after doing that, we need to get to our settings. For that, click on the gear-like icon that you'll be able to see around here, then click on settings. So in here, you have to remember that this child's account should be underage in order for you to have parental controls, right? So after doing that, now what are we going to do is simply click on the option parental control right here, and if you have already set your email address in here, now you're all set. All you need to do is simply now click on the option privacy and content restrictions, right? So after doing that, here we'll click on communication just like this, and then from there you will be able to see the option of your experience chat, right? So all you need to do is click on that one, and in here you'll need to set all of these off just like this. So after doing that, again, if you click on camera input, make sure that it is turned off just like that. And in here you can set your voice data, party and party chats to gameplay coordinations. Just like this, you'll be able to turn off your Roblox chat for young players, and that is it.